Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on finishing up our Aflutter class weekend. And so on my Facebook page, CreateatRobinsHouse, has a bunch of videos for the techniques that we frequently used during this workshop set. So you can go check that out. And so what's new? So we've got a product of the month. Just like every month, we have something new. This one is a fancy stamp set of flowers and some nice messages. You are my sunshine, best wishes. Sending lots of happiness your way. Thank you for everything you do, stuff like that. And it might even be an angel policy one. I see a copyright Stampin' Up, so that's good for me. If you're selling your cards, you're supposed to stamp it with a copyright Stampin' Up, so keep that in mind. And then, so our paper pumpkins for August, if you sign up by August 10th, your first paper pumpkin month to month will be 25% off. So it's a great time to try it out. And you can go to my website at robintaylor.stampinup.net and find a way to do that, or you can always find it on my landing page, CreateatRobinsHouse.com, and it will lead you to some paper pumpkin information and instructions. So a brand new thing that's coming to Stampin' Up! Is our foil system. So a metallic foil system. It's a hot foil system, so that little contraption over on the left-hand side, that actually heats up, and then you run it through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So they're made to work together, and it's very pretty. The art that I'm seeing is just beautiful. So if you're interested in this foil crafting, it's very, very pretty. And I did something new this month. I did my Christmas in July mystery boxes, and it was very popular. Every box that I made sold out, so that is awesome. So maybe we'll see this again in the future because it was a lot of fun, and from what I understand, people really enjoyed their boxes. So keep an eye out for that in maybe 6 months or a year or so, and we'll do it again. So I'm working on This Is My Story. This is an all-year project, scrapping about yourself. And so these are the 4 prompts for July to get you going. I have a whole flyer of everything, or you can see on my Facebook page every one. I have an album which has them all, or you can scroll through the feed and find them one month at a time. My August all-day crop is going to be on July 8th. I had a full house for July, so that was fun. And so I hope you can join us. I need to know by August 6th so I can purchase the groceries and get things ready. And I'd love to have you there. Oh, for projects for next month. Oh my goodness. Okay, so next month we're working on Currently Loving, which is a fun Stampin' Up! Scrap workshop. And I'll be featuring, our featured card workshop is going to be using framed violets and the Violet Dreams paper pack. For my Scrap with Robin, with my Cricut cut titles, we'll be doing the Violet Dreams Scrap with Robin. And my Cards with Robin card workshop, I haven't decided yet. So I'm going on a retreat at the end of the month, and I will be sure that I'll be working on something fun just in time to advertise on the 1st. So keep your eye out. 2 new kits were added in July. One is a Daisy Days mini album kit, and the other one is a Gilded Gallery kit. I'm imagining by Gilded, it has some kind of foil accents on there, so very pretty. And in my Let's Kit Together for August, I'm going to be featuring the Daisy Days kit. It was super fun to put together, and there's a lot of flexibility. I still have tons of little die cut elements left over, so you could make more pages. You can decorate more than you intended, and it's very cute. The paper pumpkin, if you want to get this one, you need to subscribe by August 10th. And again, it's going to be the one that is 25% off if you are a new subscriber. So very fun. And that's all I've got. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.